Today's video is going to be about how to secure a outward opening door. Usually the doors are designed to open inward, but if yours open out, I will show you how to make it more secure. We're going to install a latch shield on an outswinging door. Outswinging door opens outward, leaving the latch exposed, which can be an easy target for burglars. A latch shield covers the latch and strike plate, making it more difficult for anyone to tamper with or bypass the lock. Here's the latch we'll be working with. As you can see, it's exposed. This is the area we want to protect with the latch shield. To install the latch shield, you'll need a drill, screwdriver, measuring tape, a pencil. Start by measuring the distance from the door frame to the latch, which will help you align the shield properly. Make the spots where the shield will attach. Make sure the shield covers the latch area completely. Make sure the shield is perfectly aligned with the latch, ensuring full coverage of the lock. Now, drill holes for the screws that will secure the shield in place. Be sure to drill carefully to avoid damaging the door frame. Then, attach the shield using the screws provided in the kit. Tighten them securely. And here you have it. The latch shield is now installed, making your outswinging door much more secure. Don't forget to like, share this video, and most importantly, subscribe to this channel for more. Thank you for watching.